Today's legal maxim is ex parte or from one party. Ex parte is a Latin term meaning from one party or on one side only. In legal proceedings, it refers to actions or applications made by one party without the presence or participation of the opposing party. Common uses of ex parte. Ex parte motion. A motion filed and heard without notifying or waiting for the other party. This is typically allowed only in urgent situations such as temporary restraining orders, protection orders, and emergency child custody orders. Ex parte proceedings, hearings or legal steps conducted in the absence of one party. These are often preliminary or interim measures and may require later hearings where both sides are present. And ex parte orders, orders issued after an ex parte hearing. These are usually temporary and may later be challenged or modified once the other party is heard. Courts allow ex parte applications under certain procedural rules, provided that due process rights are not violated.